Get ready to level up your PlayStation 5 experience as the next big system update is rolling out in beta, packed with exciting new features to enhance your console. Sony has rolled out a new system software update for the PlayStation 5 this February, aimed at enhancing system performance and stability. This update introduces a significant new feature: read receipts for PlayStation Network messages, which are enabled by default, although users can turn them off for privacy. Last month, Sony started releasing another update that quietly improved the usability of the messaging system by adding typing indicators and the ability to delete sent messages. Users are encouraged to check their video output settings, as enhancing their setup to include 120Hz and 4K could optimize the PlayStation 5 gaming experience. Removing ads and clutter from the main screen can significantly enhance user experience by allowing customization of the PlayStation 5 Welcome Hub. The PlayStation 5's anticipated lifecycle could extend further than planned, with the next console, potentially the PlayStation 6, not expected until at least 2029. Sony is still addressing and patching vulnerabilities to maintain the security and performance of the PlayStation 5. Past updates have also included minor enhancements, such as muting the startup beep for late-night gaming sessions without disturbing others. Thanks for watching. If this video brought you value, hit like and subscribe for more tech and gaming insights.